how to place a parlay bet on Hard Rock Bet. So if you want to place a parlay bet on Hard Rock Bet, it is actually quite simple for us to do so. First of all, you want to simply open up your browser and you have to first understand what is a parlay bet. Now, a parlay bet is a wager that merges several bet selections into one ticket. You need a minimum of 2 bets on a ticket for it to be considered a parlay wager, but you can add more and many more. A parlay ticket with 3 bets would be called a 3-bet parlay, while a parlay ticket with 12 bets would be a 12-bet parlay. Now, in order to basically bet, you can first of all go to the website, select a certain game, and here you can see different type of bets available. So what you want to do is you can see placing a parlay bet on Hard Rock Bet. First of all, you can simply set up and choose your bet. After making a selection within the sportsbook, it will automatically populate on your bet slip as a standalone wager. However, if you select a second bet, then Hard Rock Bet will automatically add it alongside the first wager. So just like this, it will automatically add it, and now you can go to parlay section from here. Now after that, each successive bet that you select will join the others on the ticket until you're done building the parlay. Now after that, you can simply enter your stake for the parlay and you can place your parlay bet. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.